Hi, and welcome along to Smoke Training. In this episode, we'll take a quick tour of the default Smoke workspace. We'll take a look at the three main areas of the Smoke editing interface. We'll have a look at using the Smoke task tabs at the bottom of the screen, and finally resizing the interface windows. Let's pop over to Smoke and take a look. The Smoke workspace is made up of three main panels. The first panel is the Media panel. This panel can be likened to the project bin in FCP. This is where all your imported media is located. Any editing sequence you create is stored in here as well. We'll take a look at importing and organising media in a future episode. The main panel in the middle is called the Viewing panel. This is where you can view both your source footage and your editing sequences using various different views. We will take a look at the different viewing methods in a future lesson. And finally, the Editing panel. This is where you'll spend most of your time. Here is where we build our edit sequences. This will look very familiar to any editor coming from any of the other main NLE editors, as Smoke has been redesigned to be much more intuitive than previous versions. Located at the bottom of the screen is the Smoke task tabs. Here you can access various different common tasks. As of pre-release version 1, there are just the two tabs. The Timeline tab, it gives you access to the editing interface we see here, and the Media Hub, where you are able to import your media into Smoke. Finally, the Smoke interface can be configured to suit your own needs by adjusting the size of the various parts of the screen. By hovering over parts of the interface where windows meet, you'll see the icon change. By clicking and dragging, we can adjust the size of the adjoining parts of the interface. This is meant to be just a brief overview of the interface to get you familiarised with the default Smoke environment. Just a reminder that Smoke 2013 is pre-release software. It presently does not have all the intended features, but this will change as the software develops. Make sure you are not using the software on a critical job, as with any pre-release software you can experience stability problems and undiscovered bugs. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for future episodes of Smoke Training.